Okay, hey guys, it's me Grace, and I'm going to be showing you all this nice and happy, wonderful day with the breeze. It looks so nice, right? So nice that we're having a barbecue at our house. Mommy! Look at this, so fun. Woo! It's my best day. Well, it doesn't have a jumping castle, which is...
Yep. Little atom.
Okay, I'm going to be showing you all. Look at that chicken. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's in a container. But look at these nice plants they grown. It's like a backyard over here. It's like a ton of cars. Look at that view onto the road. And then the pool. Zoom in right there. Wait, no, it's over there. Sorry, guys. And then all of these tall trees, the drain, water becomes a river. And that's the house. Right into these nets. This leads to the room. Isn't that so cool? It's like that door, right, that leads to the thing. And then this is the door that goes inside. These are all the people right here. There's my mom and Emma, and then another girl, Emma's mom, and then the other baby, Elsa. They both start with the letter E, which is kind of cool. But look at that. So cool. Fire's starting to come up. But the breeze is so nice here. Look, my dad's right there with the blue shirt. He's still working. I'm just walking down. I'm just walking down here right now.
You taking video?
Yeah. Say hi.
To who?
You. That you.
Are you putting in
YouTube?
no.
Facebook?
Facebook?
Don't know.
Watching and learning? Next time you're gonna do it.
Okay.
Show me what you know.
Okay. I know that you put the coal up there. You put it, squirt it on in the fireplace to come out, and then you get a lighter or a match or something, and then put it. That's what I also thought.
Okay.
Hot dogs you could put, what's it called? Chicken, hot dogs, and
Yeah.
chicken. Wait, not chicken. Burgers. I'm already starving.
You got it. Here you go. Here.
This is such a nice designed one.
Did you capture everything you wanted?
Yeah. Oh. What? This? Video?
That's how we make a barbecue. And then after we finish fire, we're gonna put this thing in it. Yeah, I know.
Be Pacific. What is it called? What's the thing? What's the fat? What's the thing?
Which one?
Okay. Take the video.
Yeah. Wait, Emma, wait.
Do you want anything to say to the barbecue? What you have to say?
Yeah, bring Emma shoes.
Huh? Are you just looking at the fire? You don't want to look at the camera? What you have to say?
Emma shoes, please. Thank you.
You enjoying the good weather? Feel good? Yeah?
دي نتعرف أنا رود ماشين دي ماشينه كان نزولته تحت ورفع فوق نارتو كان شديد هتنزل تحت نارتو كان هنا so I do that next summer oh my goodness I'm the one who's gonna make it for you you're gonna enjoy it
اوكي خلاص امسك انا ماشي اخط جمعة نار ما خلاص انتهى كانه
عليك أنا أجينا ده كلام حرام حبيبي
انا ببدا باول حاجه.
It doesn't matter. They're both chicken.
No, so you can walk.
Ay, mata Diana. Beni ha. Yeah, I'm sununto mata sununto. You don't want shoe, Emma?
I'm gonna get down.
If you don't put your shoes, you're not.
Yeah, leave.
Voilà,
Leave.
sit
Oh
down.
my God, okay.
The cook ones. So you will not mix it.
Madam, I'll have the time today.
أنا لخبطت.
Let me go wash this up.
الأحمر رزته وأنا أعمل أيره.
Say, you want to be given the time today? I love that. Let me just come and see, man.
Let me put on Emma's shoes.
Chicken أحمر رفقه paprika.
That's so sweet. Wow. This can be the Kakata would like to see.
No, kangatao بأيره. بهارة قوي.
ما انا بس انا ما قاعد امسك كويس.
Yeah, mom's fine. Give me the mark on let me just.
You stop.
Marshall, it's best, sweetheart. Let me show you something. That's why the space. I'm just want to show you how to put the space.
Can Emma walk? Emma wants to walk. Let her walk. Mommy, let Emma walk.
خطيها فلاتة.
I'm gonna do something.
انت بتجرب فلوتة انت.
Okay.
What you got to say? Yeah, you.
حياتنا في امريكا في دالاس الجو معلش انا قاعد بدنا ما في محل الفوق مو ده عندنا في محل ثاني في امريكا اسمه تاكس
Dallas.
يافا محل جميل
Texas كبير. You have to be specific.
كل يوم بس حياتنا يا ايتا حياتنا بس كل يوم يا ديتا حياتنا كل يوم يا في
أنا في
اوه ماي جاد
Dallas.
كده جميل خلاص You have a nice in there. Yeah.
كلم أنا في Dallas.
أنا كنا نقول قطع السلطة.
Yeah, I'll put those things.
أيوه. أنا كنا قطع السلطة. دي موديته محل وده كده محل.
ده ورا. أنت بيبارك beside
مو
هنا.
زار بيته؟
ورا جيبه بس. أما. أما. يا أما.
مدام تعالى عشان كده بقى
اسمع
السلطة.
مرة مش مويه هنا
تعال امسك إنجي.
في جو اوضه هنا في صالون هنا في ترابيزه.
يلا باي باي.
Bye.
احنا لسه يا جمعه.
Yeah, but you spread it out too much.
It looks like it's cooked on the thing, but it's not.
لحد ما ينجي.
No.
Oh, look at that fire wants to go on it.
There I'm
I'm gonna spin. Woo! Okay, that was weird. That was weird.
Thank you, Lino. Thank you. Vamos a hacer un poco de ribia la sopa con el masafa.
خلاص اوكي يلا.
That. This is fun. I'm just sitting on this spin chair. Look at it. It looks like a regular stool or chair, something like that. But look at this. You guys see it spinning? It spins. Whoa. Awesome. Then we got this other chair that of course spins. It says Mac Tools. It feels so weird because it's like a mountain. Emma! Look at this language. Emma. She's 6, sorry guys.
Right?
Look at us. Look at us. Look at us. Ooh, look at her. She's sick. That's all. Sorry.
Up and down.
I'm gonna watch the phone. Can I stop it now?
Yeah.
Okay.